And then I've been away for almost a week, just doing stuff, wrestling, going on a weapons training course. I lost my voice a bit from all the shouting I had to do, but yeah, I'm back now. I've only got a day. I might have a bit of time tomorrow, but then I'm away for another wrestling tour. Justin, bro, you didn't plug the microphone in properly. The wind's making it crazy, and no one can hear what you're trying to say. No one can hear that you're trying to explain that you're about to put the wet room in position, cut the vent in, fix the toilet up to the toilet filler hole in the van. No one can hear that stuff because you're an amateur filmmaker and an amateur van builder. But damn, if they could see it now, huh? If they could see how awesome this thing looks. Maybe, if they're good and they like and subscribe, you, as in me, will show them a sneak peek of the wet room pretty much finished. Like and subscribe, people. I'm Justin. It's time to start motoring home. Why don't we take a look at what the process you're about to see has resulted in, which is this guy here. That's the outside of the wet room. Let's take a look inside. Let me switch on the light. Aha! Right, there you go. There's my Thetford CW C200 toilet, or C200 CW, and shower tray with drain. All the way up here, there's the loo roll, fan vent, which goes both in and out, the light, and then the lovely plumbed waterfall shower with an aerator on for low pressure and low flow systems, and then some cool cladding. So there you go. Let's see how we did it. So this fits in the toilet part. Very nicely. More offcuts that I saved. Don't have to cut new wood. Smart. So there it is. So put in some 9mm ply behind where the shower block's going to go, because that thing's going to be put in place pretty soon hopefully and not move again. So I'm going to take it back off, chuck the sheep's wool insulation underneath it so that I don't have to move that panel. I don't have to move the shower to put that underneath it either. Let's do it. Vapor barrier. I don't know which way around it's supposed to go, so I'm assuming it doesn't matter. Who knows? There it is. And in reverse. Lovely. Okay, so cutting a hole in there for the drain. Got the drain. There's a chassis member like right there, so I think I've measured okay. There's a chance I'm going to hit it. Whoops. I'm not going to hit it and go through it. I'm not mental. But we'll soon find out. The good news is that hole didn't go through into the chassis member. The bad news is it's about 1/4 of an inch away from it, so I need to make sure the hole is drilled that side of it, and this thing doesn't really allow that, because this is sitting in here, so that needs to shift over, and I don't know, maybe if I can do it there, that might work, and then just seal around the bottom, but then I don't know. Gonna have to give it a go, I suppose. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and thanks for bearing with me while I figure out how to use this camera. Unfortunately for you, there's like 5 more months of footage of me just sitting the camera at the back on autofocus that you've got to get through before you get to some of the really good stuff. But I'm going to spice it up a little bit, and I'm going to start showing you some of the finished stuff before or after the video of me getting the ball rolling and getting it started. So Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you hit the bell thingy, the little bell icon, then you'll be updated whenever I upload a video. So yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. I'm doing the van for myself, but it's nice to know that you're along for the ride. So catch you next time on Motoring Home.